Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete Spotify account. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you should know that you cannot delete your account from your app. So you need to open your web browser and search here Spotify login. Then tap on the first link as shown here. Now, you need to log in to the account that you want to delete. From here, you need to tap on the menu from the top right corner. And after that, tap on Support. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Account Help. From here, you need to swipe through the options on the top bar. From here, tap on Account Settings, and then scroll down and tap on Closing your account and deleting your data. From this page, you need to tap on Close your account and delete your data. Once you're in the next page, you need to tap on Close my account and delete my data. From here, you will get to see this message bar. So wait until you get some options. From the options, you need to tap on Close my account. From the next options, you need to tap on Close my account and delete my data. And after that, they will ask if you have access to your email address. If you do, tap on Yes. And then they will ask you if you want to continue. So tap on Yes. And then you will receive an email from Spotify to confirm that you want to delete your account. So open up your email and confirm it from there. So that is how to delete Spotify account.